VBHC Haven of Joy, your dream residential destination near Kengeri. Hello everyone, this is Abhilash. Today I am excited to introduce you to VBHC Haven of Joy, a residential paradise located just 5 minutes away from the Kengeri metro station with apartments starting from at just 22 lakhs.
From the moment you enter, you'll notice the spacious driving bays leading to ample car parking spaces. The beautiful high-rise apartments boast an elegant elevation and 65% open area, providing a sense of tranquility. VBHC Haven of Joy offers 1 and 2 BHK apartments, along with over 15 lifestyle amenities for residents to enjoy. You can take a leisurely stroll through the garden walkways and let your kids have a wonderful time in the play area. The apartments feature premium world-class infrastructure with attractive ceiling and sliding glass windows that provide ample natural light. Step into the living room, a more spacious and imaginative yet functional area that serves as the family dining hall. The well-appointed kitchens come with chimney and wall-mounted fittings. The master bedroom is thoughtfully designed to provide an outside view, and the stylish bathrooms add a touch of luxury. The second bedroom also offers the same design and comfort, along with a cozy sit-out area. The scenic reception area and amphitheatre create a welcoming atmosphere. The 1,800 square feet clubhouse is the perfect place for community gatherings, and there are retail spaces available too. Enjoy outdoor games on the tennis court, badminton court, sand volleyball court, basketball court, and cricket court. Indoor game enthusiasts can indulge in table tennis, pool, and more.
VBHC Haven of Joy. It's starting from 22 lakhs. Don't wait any longer. Book your dream home at VBHC Haven of Joy today
And call 8300 634070.
Thank you for watching and stay connected with our DD family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.